Today, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $50 to $200 by selling PCs with our affiliate program. Howdy, my name is Timmy, here with Sirius Power PC. Before we get too far into this video, please go ahead and leave a like as well as subscribing with the bell on because we're going to be making some gaming content very, very soon. Now, in today's video, I'm going to teach you a little bit more about our affiliate program, show you how to set up an account with our affiliate program, as well as show you how to promote your links so that you can start making money potentially today through our affiliate program. So first things first, open up a new window and go to Google and type in Sirius Power PC. Go ahead and search for that and click on the first option. This will go ahead and bring you to our website. So to find our affiliate program, simply look up towards the top right, and here you have a drop-down menu with options like affiliate program, become an affiliate, the login, and the affiliate area. So to start off, I'll kind of show you around our affiliate program page. So I'll click on the first option there, and that will bring you to our main page. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll down a bit, and now's actually a perfect time to tell you about our affiliate program contest. So the first person to sell 10 computers valued at $2,500 or more through their link will win a free custom $2,500 gaming PC, or you can also opt for a $2,500 gift card from SiriusPowerPC.com or $1,000 in cash. So not only will you be rewarding your audience or friends with an excellent quality PC from Sirius Power PCs, but every PC you sell, not only are you going to be getting a kickback from anywhere from $50 to $200, depending on what type of PC your friend or audience buys, but you'll also be making steps towards this goal, because if you're the first one to sell 10 PCs with your unique affiliate URL, you win a free $2,500 PC. So that's another reason why I would recommend going ahead and signing up for our affiliate program today and promoting our links as quickly as possible and to as many people as possible. Below our affiliate competition section right here is a little bit more information about our affiliate program. Whether or not you're a massive creator or someone streaming to 3 people in your Twitch chat, you can sign up for our affiliate program. Even if you don't necessarily make content yourself, if you have a friend or friends who are maybe looking into buying a PC, go ahead, sign up for our affiliate program and tell them, hey, this is a great option. They offer lifetime support. You're going to get your PC in a free custom wooden crate that'll protect it. And if there's anything wrong with your PC, we have some of the best customer service in the game. So you can let them know all of this different information, and you can just direct them to our website. But make sure to use your affiliate code or affiliate link. That way they are able to support you in buying their PC. Below that, we have a little bit more information as long as a sign up button, and we have some instructions on, how to register and how to get started promoting your affiliate links, like entering your user information, completing the network profile, adding websites and places where you plan to promote your unique URL, submit your tax information, and providing payment information. That way we can pay you as soon as you sell PCs. So frequently asked questions like, how long does it take to become a Sirius Power PC affiliate? Usually expect a confirmation email within 24 hours. How much commission will I receive? The percentage commission for affiliates is determined on a case-by-case basis, so you could be making anywhere from $50 if you sell a lower-end PC to $200 if you're selling a higher-end PC. Once we get your form approved and everything, that's how you'll be able to see your exact commission rates for selling. Can I get a free Sirius Power PC as an affiliate? As of right now, no, not just by being an affiliate, but obviously with our competition, if you are the first to sell 10, you will receive a free PC. So just because you sign up for the affiliate program doesn't mean you're going to be getting a free PC. However, if you manage to be the first person to sell 10, then you will get a PC. I already have said that earlier. When will I receive my commission payments? Usually once you hit that minimum payout amount, you should get paid around the 20th to the 28th of each month. Will Sirius Power PC provide the necessary tools? Absolutely. We will give you a unique URL that is personalized to you so that whenever someone buys a PC through your link, it is linked to your account. That way we know, hey, you are the one that promoted this PC. You are the one that essentially sold this PC to this person. And that way we can get you paid up and paid out. Can I view all my referred sales or commissions? Yes, there's tons of information on your affiliate account, which I'll show y'all in just a minute. If I live outside of the US, can I still be a Sirius Power? Can I still apply to be a Sirius Power PC affiliate? Absolutely. You know, we welcome worldwide sellers. However, do be aware that as of right now, we only ship to inside of the United States. So all of your commission sales will be US-based sales. And if you're curious, and our commission policy is down here just in case you want any additional information about, you know, how you're getting paid or commission rules, such stuff like that. So now that we've reviewed this page, we're going to go back up to the top. And if you were signing up, you would click this sign up button. That would bring you to our affiliate program sign up page, which is where you furnish us with emails, where you plan on promoting the product, and obviously to create your username and password. However, I already have my affiliate account set up, so I am instead going to go to the login for affiliates up there in the top at the drop down. This will let you put in your username and password. I'm not going to dox myself and enter this information into where you can steal my account, so I will be right back. Alright, I am back. So after you log in, you should be redirected to this page. This is your dashboard. It basically lets you see all of your different statistics like referrals, visits, and your conversion rate. Down here, if you have recent referrals, they will show up right here. And I'm going to super quickly go through these. I don't want to bore you, but at the same time, I want to give you as much information about our affiliate program as possible. So if you go here to affiliate URLs, this will allow you to see your URL. So right here, this is my personal URL. So this is what I would promote if I made a YouTube video and made a sponsored segment for Sirius Power PC. I would promote this. I'd put this in the link in the description down below. I would also use this QR code so that I could be like, also, if you want to scan the URL code, because, you know, some people don't like clicking links. They would rather scan something on their phone. That gives you the URL right there so that you can get it. If you go to the statistics tab, you can basically see some more advanced statistics. Same thing with the graphs tab. If you come here to referrals, you'll be able to see a list of every referral you've made, the amount that they paid, the description of it, the status, as well as the date that they purchased that. We're under the payouts here now, so whenever you make a payout to your account, whether it be, you know, through PayPal or however you choose to extract your money and collect your money, every payout that is made will be set up here. Under Visits tab, you will see every time someone visits the site through your URL. We don't quite have it set up yet, but under here in the Coupons tab, you have a coupon code and the amount that it can be discounted. Again, that's not quite yet set up, but we hope to have that set up soon. And then under Creatives, you basically have a bunch of pre-made to different dimensions social media posts that you can make just in case you don't want to or you don't know how to do graphic design and you don't know how to make a popping advertisement. These are pre-made and ready for you to use if you would like. And then down here, we got some additional affiliate resources if you want to check that out, as well as affiliate taxes. If you come up here to the top right, I can dox myself. That's cool. You can see your settings as well as sign out if you need to. But anyways, guys, that is going to do it for today's video on our affiliate program. Be sure to sign up if you haven't yet, and remember to subscribe with the bell on because we're going to be making some gaming content coming soon. And hit the like if you enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching. My name is Timmy, here with Sirius Power PC. Remember to sign up for our affiliate program, and I'll see you guys next week with a brand new video.